So track fans, there is a very bad news currently in the athletics community. So what happened was there was a Jamaican hodler that I was hearing rumors about. Now let's read what I actually heard what happened. Now there is a website that released this saying a Jamaican sprint hodler facing provisional suspension after he tested positive for a banned substance. Sportmax TV has confirmed that the male athlete has tested positive for a substance that features prominently on the World Athletic Doping Agency banned list. The athlete has shown on the international stage in recent years, winning medals in the Commonwealth Games, the Olympic Games, and the Continental Cup. Track authorities say the hodler was informed of the positive test, which came following an analysis of a sample by the Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission. The sprint hodler was tested last month. It is expected that the athlete B sample will be tested. Then he will be required to face a judgment. Now, what this article is trying to let you guys know is that um they have not yet released the particular name of the athlete that is being banned, track fans, but right now there is definitely a Jamaican hurdle runner that is under being suspended by World Athletic because he was tested positive for, yes, track fans, he was tested positive probably because he did not obey the rules. You all know that World Athletic has these rules of certain things that you can take and certain things that you are not allowed to take. So but I just feel like sometimes this athlete, they don't desire to take all these things that are not allowed, but they did it intentionally, probably when they are sick or something of that nature. Let me know what you think, guys, and I'll keep you updated.